Hello, hello. How are you? Let us proceed with our discussion in measurement. And in this discussion, I want us to talk about the surface area of a cylinder. The surface area of a cylinder. When you talk about a surface area of a cylinder, or when you talk about a cylinder is an object, and everybody of you knows what a cylinder is. Is an object that has is a 3D object that has uh, that takes this shape, like the shape that is here. This is a cylinder where it has two identical faces. This face and this one are identical. Mine is not the actual cylinder. And then we have a curved surface area. So when we are talking about getting the area of a cylinder, you must first of all get the area of the top. You must get area of the top, area 1, then get the area of the curved surface, which is area 2, and get the curved the bottom surface, which is area 3. But you realize that area 1 and area 3 are the same. Area 1 and area 3 are the same. So here, when you look at this face and this face are identical, and then we have the curved surface area. So in this case, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to make sure that you handle the first area where you calculate area 1. When you get area 1, then you add you add to area 3, you add area 2 plus area 3, area 2 plus area 3, where we know that area 1 and area 2 or is equals to area 2 is equals to area 3. Area 1 and area 3 are equal, and then you add to area 2. So when you get area 1, you will not commit any mistake by multiplying area 1 multiplied by 2, which will give us the sum of area 1 plus area 3 So in short, when you get the area 1, you multiply by 2 in case when the cylinder is closed. So in this case, we are going to get, area 1 is a circle and area 3 is also a circle. So we are going to have something like this. When we try to open it, we will have the top, this is the top part, this is the top. Then we will have the middle part, which is the curved surface, This is a curved surface. This is a curved surface. And then we will have the bottom part. Which is another circle. So this is a circle as we dismantle it part by part. And we are saying that the area or top and bottom are of the equal size, so their area is the same. Then you add curved surface. So in this case, when we are to get the area, when we are to calculate the area, we will get the area. We will get the area of a circle is given by pi. Area of a circle is given by pi r squared. The area of a circle is given by pi r squared. So when we get the area of this circle, we multiply by 2 in case we are talking about a closed cylinder. We will have obtained the area of the two faces instead of getting each individual area. So we will have to get pi r squared. We multiply it by 2. We will have obtained this area and this area. Then from there, when you talk about the area of the curved surface, when you talk about the area of the curved surface, here we will have to use the formula that is given by pi d. You have to use the formula where you get the pi d. Then there is a height here. When you fold this rectangle, which is a curved surface, there is a height. There is an elongating height which acts as a width in this case, but the height. So we multiply by height. So the area of this cylinder, allow me to wrap this part. The area of this cylinder will be given by 2 pi r squared plus pi d h. 2 pi r squared plus pi dh. 2 pi r squared plus pi dh. Suppose we have an example of a cylinder. We have an example of a cylinder where the cylinder takes this form. Where the cylinder takes this form in the measurement. We have a small cylinder here that has this form, and we are told that the diameter or the radius is 14 centimeters. The radius is 14 centimeters, and the height is given by 30 centimeters. The height is given by 30 centimeters. So in this case, we are talking about a crossed cylinder. We assume that this cylinder is crossed. We are talking about a crossed cylinder, meaning that the top and the bottom are crossed. So what do we do? We are going to get the area of this top multiplied by 2, then we can get the curved surface. So what we are going to do, we are going to have to use pi, which is 22 all over 7, given by the radius, which is 14 multiplied by 14 multiplied by pi r squared multiplied by 2 because we are talking about the top cylinder, the top circle and the bottom circle, or the top face and the bottom face. So we have to divide by 7, which is going to give us 2 here. So in this case, we are talking about 44. We are talking about 44 multiplied by 28. We are talking about 22 times 2 is 44 multiplied by 28. Here we are going to have that 32. We are going to have 32. So which is 2 carry 3, 32. This is 35. Then we are going to have 8. So in this case, we are going to have 2. Then 5 plus 3, which will give us 13, carry 1, which will give us 12 in this case. So the area of the two circles, both circles will give us will be given by the 1232. Then from there, we must get the curved surface area. The curved surface area we agreed is given by pi dh. The curved surface area is given by pi dh. So we are going to have pi. Then our diameter, if the radius is 14, diameter is twice the radius. So we are going to have to multiply by 28 multiplied by 30, which takes the position of the height. So we're going to have 1, we're going to have 4. So in this case, we have 88 multiplied by 22 times 4 times 30. We are going to have what? We are going to have 0. We're going to have 24 carry 2, 24. This one is going to be 26. So in this case, the curved surface area is given by this. So the area will be given by 1232 plus 2640. 1232 plus which will be, let me use this one. This one will be easier. We're going to have 2783. So we're going to have the area as 3872. We are going to have the area as 3872. Now this one is a case of a closed cylinder. So in the next lesson, I want us to look at the case of an open cylinder and a pipe. We will talk about the case of an open cylinder and also talk about a pipe, because a pipe has both ends open. An open cylinder has the bottom part of it is covered, and then the top part is not covered. So stay tuned for the next lesson. Thank you very much.